In today's video, we're going to be looking at what is Bit Unix and how you can make the most out of it. This video is a complete beginner's tutorial to show you exactly what Bit Unix is and how you can use it to your day-to-day transaction or how you can use it to make money out of it. Bit Unix is a crypto exchange site similar to Binance, similar to Bybit, and also similar to BitGet and even no one's. Now, I want you to pay attention because I will be diving straight into the whole thing, sharing with you how you can make the most out of Bit Unix. It's a very advanced site that is packed with a lot of information, and one good thing about the Bit Unix is that you can also kind of invest your money directly into it, and you can watch the money as the money grow on autopilot, because there's something we call copy trading and also auto invest. Now, I will be sharing with you in this video. I don't like this video to be too long, but I want to dive into the whole thing step by step, and I'll show you some of the details you need to keep in mind as a complete beginner. Stick around and make sure you watch this video to the end. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If today is the first time you're here, my name is Joseph Benson. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell for all notifications, like and share this video with family and friends. And once again, I want to welcome you to Joe Crypto Trend. In this channel, I talked about crypto, how you can make money from it, and how you can invest in order to make your life better. And listen, I'm not a crypto expert. Whatever you do here, you're doing it at your own risks, because there's a lot of risks when it comes to crypto investment. Please keep that in mind, and this is my disclaimer. Now, today's video, I will be sharing with you exactly what is Bit Unix and how you watching this video can understand the whole thing and how you can use it as a complete beginner to start kind of moving around it and do your day-to-day transaction. You can exchange cryptocurrency from one crypto to another and so on. There's a lot you can do with the Bit Unix altogether. The link to get your account registered right now is 100% available in the video description below. Now, why should you use my link? Now, my link comes with lots of incentive. If you use my link, you'll be entitled to different type of deposit bonuses. And aside that, you can stand the chance to claim 5,500 USDT, right? Although, remember, terms and condition is 100% applied. So make sure you read through the terms and condition before proceeding to claim your bonuses, okay? Now, let's dive into my desktop where I will be sharing the whole thing with you in this video. If you come here, if you click on the link I provide for you, I just want you to click on sign up, because number one, I'll show you how you can sign up your account, right? That's the number one. Once you click on sign up, all you have to do here, you can sign up between email or mobile phone number, okay? Since I'm in Nigeria, this is the major reason why you're seeing +234. By default, if you click on sign up and you select the phone number, your country code is going to be populated immediately, right? So that's it. So, and if you didn't see your country code here, you can click on the drop down arrow and select your country of origin, and then you can add it, and then your country mobile code number is going to populate right there. And now you can just have to add your phone number here, just add your preferred password here, and then you click on this checkbox that I have read and agree to the Bit Unix user agreement and Bit Unix privacy policy, and you can click on sign up. Very, very simple. Is this not kind of straightforward sign up and very, very easy for beginner to do? Yes, it's 100% easy for beginners to do, and it doesn't take much time. And then verification also is super simple, right? So what I'll do, if you don't want to use phone number, you want to use an email, then you can click on email, and then you add your email address here, add your password here, and also click on this I agree to the terms and condition and privacy policy of Bit Unix, and you can click on sign up. Also, this is very, very straightforward for anyone to do, and at any given time, and everything will look good, right? So to sign up on Bit Unix is super simple. Now, I am going to log into my account. I just have to share with you how to sign up your account. In my own case, I am logging into my account because I already have an account with Bit Unix. When I enter my account, I will be sharing with you some of the helpful tips and workaround when it comes to using the Bit Unix interface. Let's go. So for me, I'll click on login. Once I click on login, my password and username are already here, right? My password and username are here. So what I'll do right now, I'll click on this to complete this to confirm I'm a human, right? So now we are going to come back with some other information. So what I will do, I'll click on get code. So they're going to send me code to my email. So I'll go to Yahoo Mail, my Yahoo inbox. And once I get to my inbox, all I have to do, this is to help you preserve your account against hackers and unauthorized users. So this is my code sent from Bitunix. I'll go back to Bitunix and add it here, and then I also add authenticator. So let me just grab my phone, and once I grab my phone, I'm going to add the authenticator here, right? So right now I have it, so I'll type 960318. It changes every single minute. I'll click on login, and I'll wait patiently, and my account login is successful. Now this is how you can log into your Bitunix account without any problem. The reason why this video is being tagged this way, because we want to know, I want to make sure that beginners know how to access their Bitunix account from registration to logging into their account, to know some of the benefits when it comes to using the Bitunix altogether. So if I come here, you can see Ultimate New Year Benefit Kickstart 2025 Trading Journey. You can join now. So this is Bitunix interface. Is one of the biggest global crypto derivative exchange right now that's available, similar to Binance and No One's and so on. So what you're going to see, there are a lot of welcome bonuses that I will be talking about in this video. Now all you have to do, you can click on this to go to the welcome bonuses, and then I will show you what Bitunix is really all about. Now available 5,500 USDT worth of new reward. It's available right now, but remember, terms and conditions are applied. One of the terms and conditions you need to do is to 1, complete your registration. You can see this is checked. 2, you need to deposit a total value of 100 USDT, which I am about to do. I will deposit 100 USDT, and then complete your KYC. This is also very, very important because I complete my KYC without any wasting of time. And the last one, you just have to trade. This is very, very simple. You complete your KYC, you complete your registration, complete your KYC, make a deposit, and also trade some amount of money. Those are some of the terms and conditions apply when you want to get the 5,500 USDT. And this is happening right now. You can be one of the winner of this. You can claim it right now simply if you use my link in this video. Okay, so all I have to do right now, this is the first thing I want to show you. So if you go down, you're going to see a lot of information about some other newcomer tax you can create. There are a lot of taxes you can create in order to make money. They're all here. You can trade $100,000, I think, cumulative trading volume to get this 5 USDT and so on. You can, the more you trade, the more money you make at the end of the day. So those are some of the stuffs you can reach right now. You can deposit and you can earn those amounts. You can see step by step, and it's growing. Now most crypto exchange sites are not giving these bonuses, and I don't know why, but Bitunix is giving those bonuses to every trader. It doesn't matter where you come from, it doesn't matter your country, it doesn't matter your language. So long you use my link to create this account, you'll be entitled with all these benefits and incentive altogether, right? So if I come to the top, you can see you can buy crypto using the P2P options. Okay, so if you could just come to buy crypto, you can either buy crypto via P2P or you can use the third party to buy it. Now, the option of using the third party is what I love so much because it's super simple and easy for you to buy crypto nowadays using just only your credit card. You can even use your virtual credit card, credit or even debit cards. You can buy crypto right now with it. Now, some of the country that crypto direct deposit are restricted. You can even use the virtual cards, fund the virtual card, and use it to buy any crypto of your choice on Bit Unix. Kind of makes sense, right? Yes, it is. So if you click on P2P, it will take you to a page where you have access to see what is happening on the background. You're going to select the country, which country you are. By default, it's already selected. So now you can easily buy in your local currency. The reason why you're seeing NGN simply because I am in Nigeria, okay? I base in Nigeria. That is the major reason why you're seeing NGN. Anywhere you are in the world, it's going to populate with your own local currency. Keep that in mind, okay? So if I also want to sell, let's say I have a USDT or BTC I want to sell. If I click on sell, I'm going to select my asset here and then just type the amount of money I want to sell. I want to sell to get in Naira what? And also I want to select, you can see it's only bank transfer that's available. So I'll select bank transfer, and all those guys you are seeing here today, they are ready to start accepting my crypto. They are ready to buy my crypto and send this Naira what per dollars, right? So this is kind of makes sense altogether. Now, if you have to go to the third party is super simple because all you have to do, you have to put the amount you want to sell here based on the currency of the country you are, from USD, Euro, and so on. A lot of countries are listed here. So let's assume this is USD, or let me see, can I even get NGN? Let me type NGN. Yes, NGN is available. So you're going to type, let's say I want to use 100,000 Naira, and I'm going to see amount of USDT. This will give me 58.51 USDT right now. And then I can easily use my credit card or Visa credit card or debit card, or even some of the listed card here. You can see there are a lot of cards listed here. Visa is listed, Master is listed, Apple Pay, even bank transfer, it's available. I mean, can you see this? So you can use it, and then you can click on pay, and then you can pay and get your crypto. Another thing again I want to share with you in this video is something we call grid. The grid indicator, it's available with Bit Unix. It's like a market sentiment for those of you who would love to trade your cryptocurrency on Bit Unix. Of course, you can trade directly on Bit Unix and make some extra income for yourself and your family and live your life just the way you want it. Now, if you come here, you can come to the market tab and click on opportunities. The opportunity is simply like a market sentiment, but they call it grid. Now, can you see this? The grid level right now is 77, which is very, very high. Now, you can select group of cryptocurrency with a high grid, and then you can start trading them in order to make money. Now, what is really grid all about? Let's see all together. When the market sentiment is greedy, trading activities and market liquidity are very high, and currency prices fluctuate greatly. This is just what grid is all about. So you as a trader, you're going to take an advantage. This is kind of like an opportunity for you to make an extra income while using the Bit Unix. To me, it kind of makes sense. This is a major reason why you have to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notification on for all notification. In case I have a brand new video just like this one, of course you will be notified. I do upload content time to time to help you identify and know exactly what to do with your cryptocurrency in order to add more value. But remember, cryptocurrency come with a lot of up and down. If you don't know how to use it, honestly, you can easily lose your money. So you need to be very, very careful. And again, there are a lot of scammers out there who are 100% ready in the background for you to make a tiny mistake and all your money will be gone. And I pray this is not going to be your portion, okay? By the grace of God, you are not going to lose your money, okay? So if you come back here, this is the grid, and you can decide to make an informed decision here. You can see we have some of the sentiments called up and down distribution. It's here. I also use this in order to make my decision as well. Now, if you come here, time may not permit me to share everything with you. If not, I'll show you features, sport, copy trading, and so on. Now, let's even look at the features. The features is when you can also trade other assets like the cryptocurrency of your choice. You can trade them and make money. Now, there's a new crypto that is out. It's being published right now on Bit Unix. It's called Trump token. The Trump token is 100% new, and anyone can stand a chance to start using it right away. Now, Trump himself is a president that loves to do all his activities 90% with cryptocurrency, and this is making cryptocurrency market growing by the day, and people are making money now. Now, since Donald Trump won the last US election, you can see what is happening. Price of crypto skyrocket overnight, especially the Bitcoin and the USDT, and many people use that fluctuation and make money and live their life just the way they want it. And I don't want you to be left behind. This is the major reason why you need to subscribe to my channel. In case I have a brand new video just like this one you're watching, of course you will be notified, right? So now I'm supposed to click on, oops, I don't know why this is not opening. Okay, let me hit on copy trading. My network is slow today. I don't know why. Okay, let's click on refresh. Okay, now that I click on refresh, I'll go ahead and click on features. Now, if I click on features, it's going to load. Once it loads, we're going to see that we can trade asset here on this platform. You can see the order book is here. You can see the rate of buying and selling. It's happening right before your very eyes. So it kind of makes sense, right? The buying and selling is happening right now on BTC USDT. Okay, so this is what features is. And then spot also is something similar but a little bit different. And then copy trading is going to be a video for another day, because I want you to know what are copy trading, how you can make the most out of it. It's simply you copying other people traders trading in order for you to make money, because there are a lot of professionals on Bit Unix. They are making money on a daily basis, and you can stand a chance to copy their trade directly into your own Bit Unix account, and you can make money at the process. So it kind of makes sense altogether, right? So now we can easily click on spot trading also, because I want you to see the spot trading is simply maybe you want to convert your money, your Bitcoin, maybe you have a BTC, you want to convert it to USDT or any other cryptocurrency of your choice. This can happen on the spot trading platform. You can see it's here, and you can either buy or sell your BTC depending on what currency you want to buy at the moment. Now, if you come to the copy trading aspect of the Bit Unix, because I just want to brush over it, and I will create a detailed video step by step sharing with you exactly how you can make the most out of this. Now, you can become a leader if you want people to copy from your trade. There are a lot of leaders here. Those are leaders with this one has 7 day, and the return on investment is plus 64.96%, which is amazing. You can just click here and start copying this person right now. So Bitunix is packed with a lot of information and lot of incentive. I will also create a detailed video about how you can make the most out of this copy trading of a thing so you can make more money with it. This will bring me to the end of the video. If today is the first time you are seeing me, my name is Joseph Benson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with family and friends. And once again, welcome to Joe Crypto Trend. Here we talk about crypto and how you can make money from it. I will be linking a video here. This video is very helpful. Make sure you watch this video to your own advantage and tell me what you see. Very important video. Make sure you watch it, and you can drop the comment in the comment section below. Thank you once again for your time. I will see you guys on the next one. Until then, I want to say bye.